Hello again, my friends. We're here again today in the trails. Spring has sprung, snow has left us, and it's a beautiful day. The grass is turning green, the buds are in the trees. Great day to go for a little walk. Planning to do a small hike down the trail and possibly have a little lunch. Maybe I'll set up a tarp or not. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so follow along and let's go. So the river is a bit full. There's more water than usual. It's been raining yesterday a lot, so I guess it filled up a lot. Normally it's less water here, and it's all muddy, as you can see. It's even a little island here in the middle. Seems like part of this riverbank fell into the river. There's some trees down. Did you see that a while ago? It's either a muskrat or small baby otter. But some little thin brown was like swimming in the water and then went up the tree, crawled across and hid behind those tree trunks. So yeah, it's a nice sight. So yeah, guys, looks like this is a pretty good area to set up a shelter, and I'm gonna have some lunch next to the river here, right? Today we're gonna have, for the first time, this jambalaya freeze-dried meal from Camp Kitchen, and it's made personally by Chef Tyler Scott from Camp Kitchen. It's supposed to be really good. It's all natural, organic ingredients. He's based out of Ontario. It's another fellow YouTuber, canoe tripper. So I suggest you give it a try. There's a website you can go to, and campkitchenstore.ca. Check it out. And yeah, I'm not sponsored by them, but they're really good meals. So give it a try. Don't forget to remove their oxygen moisture absorbing package 8. Don't need this. So now we wait 10 to 12 minutes and it should be ready to eat. Look, there's rice, shrimp, chicken, sausage, everything. It's supposed to be for 2 people, 2 servings, but I think I can eat it all by myself. It's amazing. It's really good. Doesn't even feel like it was freeze-dried. It's almost like something you cook at home. Really good. Well, that was a great meal. Now I'm gonna pack up and start heading out, make my way out of the trail in this part. All right. If some of you guys don't know, the reason why I put it in put my gas canister in a plastic bag or cloth or even a paper towel is so it doesn't rust the bottom of the pot. Just a little moisture or something in there left over, okay? Okay guys, just a little tip. You probably know what this is. It's a Mora knife from Sweden. Everybody seems to have these. Really useful, strong, and very practical. I always carry this. Sometimes I carry a bigger one for processing wood, batoning wood, and so on. But this one comes with its own little case and plastic case, and it's great for small jobs, bush crafting, cutting food, anywhere where you want a strong, dependable knife. And it's, I believe it's stainless steel, this particular one, so it doesn't rust. Had it a few years, really good. So, and they're not very expensive. So if you're interested, you can get them off Amazon, different colors, different models. Okay. All right, so let's get going. Back to my car, back on the trail. Parts of the bank have been falling over, I guess due to the rain and the snow melt and all that in the last month. So in the springtime, these areas where it snows all winter, you have to really be careful just when it starts to thaw, because the banks are really soft and many times they just fall into the river. So now if the river, now it's not a big problem, but if the river is frozen or partially frozen, you know, you get hypothermia and you won't be having a lot of fun. Could be also life-threatening if there's nobody around. You can die from hypothermia. So yeah, especially you kids, keep away from the banks in the early spring. Right, making our way back here. Last time I was here, we saw 2 beavers making their way up the river. But not today, because Mr. Beaver is resting on his Sunday day off. Okay, my friends, this is the end of the video. Another successful and beautiful day for a hike. Hope you liked the video as much as I liked making it. So until next time, keep active, keep camping, hiking, whatever. Stay on the outdoors. Be safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.